Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Academic and manuscript writing is a time intensive process that requires clarity, accuracy, and adherence to ethical standards. Artificial intelligence tools are now widely used to support researchers by improving language quality, literature understanding, and manuscript structure. In this lecture, we will explore six commonly used AI tools for academic writing: ChatGPT, SciSpace, Writefull, Paperpal, Grammarly, and QuillBot. For each tool, we will discuss its background, main function, advantages, limitation, and development history. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI in 2022. It is designed to generate and refine human-like text based on prompts provided by users. In academic writing, ChatGPT is useful for brainstorming, research ideas, drafting outlines, simplifying complex concepts, improving clarity, and language editing. It is also useful for explaining statistical methods and summarizing literature. The major advantages includes versatility, conversational interaction, and support across many disciplines. However, limitations include the risk of factual inaccuracies, potential hallucination, and the needs for strict ethical oversight to avoid plagiarism or misuse. SciSpace, formerly known as the typeset, is an AI-powered researcher assistant designed to help researchers read, write, and understand scientific papers. Launched around 2018, functionally, SciSpace explains complex research articles, assistant with manuscript formatting, provides citation support, and helps answer questions directly from PDFs. It is especially helpful for students and early career researchers. Its strengths include contextual explanation, journal template support, and research focused design. However, it is limited creative writing ability and relies heavily on the quality of uploaded papers. Writefull is an AI-based academic language feedback tool trained on millions of published research articles. It was funded in 2014. It focuses especially on scientific and technical writing. Its primary function is to provide sentence level corrections, improve academic tone, and check grammar based on real research language rather than general English. Writefull is commonly used for journal manuscript and thesis. The advantages include discipline-specific language suggestions and strong alignment with academic standards. The limitations are limited paraphrasing ability and less flexibility for creative writing. Paperpal is an AI-driven academic writing assistant developed especially for researchers and journal authors. It focuses on language refinement and manuscript readiness. Papers improve grammar, clarity, academic tune, and journal compliance. It is often used before journal submission to reduce editorial revision. The major benefits include research-focused suggestion and strong publisher acceptance. However, it is requires a subscription for advanced features and does not assist much with content generation. Grammarly is one of the most widely used AI assistant. Although it is a general purpose tool, it is commonly used in academic writing to improve grammar, clarity, and readability. It was founded in 2009. Its functions include real-time grammar correction, tone detection, and plagiarism checking in premium version. It is widely used to students, educators, and researchers. The strength of Grammarly include easy to use and instant feedback. However, it may not fully understand discipline-specific academic language and can sometimes oversimplify complex sentences. QuillBot is an AI-powered paraphrasing and summarization tool. It is commonly used to rephrase sentences, reduce redundancy, and improve readability. In academic writing, QuillBot helps with paraphrasing literature, summarizing articles, and improving sentences flow. The advantages include fast paraphrasing, multiple writing modes. However, excessive reliance can affect originality, and careless use may lead to unintentional plagiarism. Artificial intelligence tools are powerful assistants, not authors. When used responsibly, they can improve clarity, efficiency, and quality of academic manuscripts. Researchers should always verify content, maintain originality, and follow journal and institutional guidelines. Reading AI use. The future of academic writing will be a collaboration between human expertise and AI support.
Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.